In this video, we will see the exercise part of needs of animals. First one, who am I? A. I give you eggs. I love to eat grains and worms. I am a hen. B. I have long ears and like to eat carrots. I live in a burrow. I am a rabbit. Rabbit. C. I am India's national animal. My home is called a den. I am a tiger. Tiger. D. I love to eat bananas and jackfruit. I live in grasslands with my family. I am an elephant. Elephant. Second one, write T for true and F for wrong statements. A. Spiders live in a hive. False. B. Ants make anthills. True. C. Different birds make different kinds of nest. True. D. Rhinos live in caves. False. E. Chimpanzees only eat fruits and chilies. False. F. Frogs eat insects and worms. True. Third one, why do animals need homes? Animals need homes to live, to protect themselves from harsh weather and their enemies, to lay eggs and to store food. Fourth one, connect each animal with its home and food. Horse loves to eat hay and it lives in stable. Cow eats grass and it lives in shed. Hen eats grains and hens are kept in coop. Bear eats fish and it lives in cave. Lion eats deer or meat and it lives in forest or grassland. Dog eats bone or milk and it lives in kennel.